If you went to the doctor in the late 1890s with a sore throat, they might have given you heroin. The drug company Bayer originally commercialized heroin in 1898, marketing it as a non-addictive substitute for morphine and a cough suppressant for children. It was sold over the counter and widely used for everything from colds to headaches before doctors realized it was actually highly dangerous and addictive. Like this video if you are glad medicine has changed, and subscribe for more shocking medical history.